Did you know that you can use your universal robots to figure out what is the tool payload and the center of gravity? If you don't have that information, don't worry, it's easy with universal robots. What you have to do is you start your robot. Once everything's green, we go to installation, payload, and then measure. It's a wizard that would guide you through the steps. We just need to move the tool around. Press next. I'm gonna set position. I'm gonna press and hold here, move around. Need just to move 4 different ways. Again, next, set position. Something over here. Okay, then next. There, next, set position. Maybe up, set position, okay. Next. And then you're gonna have the payload value and the center of gravity. And after that, you just press finish, and that's all you have to do. If you don't have the information about your tool, you can use your universal robot to measure that for you.